In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify. To begin, open your web browser and go to the HubSpot app marketplace. This is the central place where HubSpot lists official integrations and apps that connect with your account. Once you are in the marketplace, use the search bar and type Shopify. Select the Shopify integration from the results so you are on the correct listing page. Next, click Install App. HubSpot will prompt you to enter your Shopify store URL. This is the web address for your store on the Shopify domain. Make sure you type it carefully and double-check for any spelling mistakes, because an incorrect URL can prevent the connection from completing. After you submit your store URL, continue through the connection prompts until the integration is added to your HubSpot account. Once the app is installed, go back into HubSpot and open Settings. From there, navigate to Integrations, then Connected Apps. This is where you can manage any tools that are linked to HubSpot. Find Shopify in the list and select it to open the integration settings. Now you will set up how information moves between Shopify and HubSpot. Click Set up your sync. You will be asked to choose which data categories you want to sync. Select the categories that fit your workflow, such as contacts for customer records, deals for purchase-related sales tracking, and products for items from your Shopify catalog. Choosing the right categories helps keep your CRM organized and ensures you see the details you actually use. Next, map your Shopify order statuses to HubSpot deal stages. This is important because it tells HubSpot how to represent an order as it progresses, for example, from a new order to fulfilled. Take your time here and match each Shopify status to the HubSpot stage that best reflects the same point in your process. Accurate mapping makes reporting and automation much more reliable. Finally, click Start Sync. This will import historical data and also begin syncing new activity in real time going forward. Depending on your store size, the initial import may take a bit of time, so let it run and avoid changing settings until it completes. That covers everything you need to know.